Alright, for B, it tells us to evaluate each function for the given value of x. So if you didn't know, evaluate just means replace, substitute, right? So I'm going to take x equals negative 2, and I'm going to put it in there for my x value. Or some students like to call it as plug and chug. So y equals 3 times 0.5 to the negative 2 power. And let's just practice our fractions. I'm going to change that 0.5 to a what fraction? 1/2. Okay, put your finger on the one that's going to go on the bottom of the fraction. Okay, hopefully you don't have 2 fingers. That's a common mistake. A lot of students will think all of this is going down. This negative 2 is only associated to the 1/2. If they wanted to include the 3, they would have done like a bracket or something like that. So all of this in purple. Purple, show up. Purple, purple, there you are. This is going downstairs. So now I have y equals 3 is left in the numerator and 1/2. But the negative 2 now just becomes a 2. The negative sign is gone. So basically, when you have the negative sign, it just keeps switching between the numerator and denominator. Class, what's 1/2 squared? 1/2 times 1/2. Multiply across. Class, what do you get? 1/4. So I'm going to change that now. 3 divided by 1/4. Notice how I haven't done any flipping or changing yet. Division turns into multiplication, and then we're going to flip this one. So that becomes what? 4 over 1 or 4. So you multiply those together, and you get 12. Box that in red. So you're just replacing it. Negative exponents, remember, switch places. I recommend that you're showing me work, so if I ask you to evaluate and you wrote the word 12 and you have no other work, of course you know you're going to get 0 on a free response. I want to know that you can actually do it by hand, algebraically.